Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Today, are you ready to uncover the secrets of maps? Let's find out what all map parts mean.
What's that, Baba?
This? I found an old map hidden in books. But it's not like any regular picture. It's a map.
Baba, what is a map?
A map is a picture that shows us where places are and helps us find our way. A map is like a special picture of a place.
Oh! What does it show?
It shows where things are located, like mountains, rivers, and even cities. Let's see. This is more than just a picture, Mina.
Baba, look what I found! My toy compass!
See this star on the map? That's called a compass rose, which works like your toy compass. It tells us directions, north, south, east, and west, so we know which way to go.
So if this is north, we go this way. But wait! How do we know where to start?
To start using a map, we first need to find a place we recognize. It could be a landmark, like a mountain, a river, or even a building if we're in a town.
Baba, look at these little pictures down here. A tree, a house, and is that a mountain? Why are they so tiny?
This is called the map key, or legend. It tells us what each picture, or symbol, stands for.
It means there's a forest in that part of the map.
Yes, Mina.
This map shows a mountain here and a river there. But how far apart are they?
That's a good question, Haseeb. Every map has a scale. It's like a ruler that tells you the real distance between places.
So if this line says 1 millimeter equals 50 miles, that means the river and mountain are 50 miles apart?
Exactly. This helps us figure out how far we need to go, even if we're just looking at a piece of paper.
Now it's the time for quiz. Which picture shows the compass rose on map? Option A. Star pointing in different directions. Option. A yellow star. Option A is correct, which shows the compass rose on map. Which picture shows the map key, where we learn what symbols mean? Option A, key of a lock. Option B, picture with labels, like a tree, a house, a mountain. Excellent. Option B shows the map key. Which picture shows the scale that tells us the distance between places on a map? Good job! Option A is correct. A compass rose on a map helps us know which way is north, south, east, or west. Is this statement true or false? Perfect! This statement is true. The inset map on a map shows a smaller area with more details, like zooming in. Is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Good job, kids! Next time, we'll be exploring the world of cardinal directions with our adventure buddies. Get ready for some exciting navigation!